So with this recent self-isolation that everybody's being encouraged to participate in, now is a great time to fine-tune potty training. Now, what does potty training have to do with gardening? We'll get into that in just a second. So urine is a natural fertilizer high in nutrients, specifically nitrogen, along with many other minerals in addition to the nutrients. I'll get a chart and put it up on the screen somewhere, and is great for use in your garden. One of the easiest ways to collect urine for using in your compost or directly on your beds is with small children, because they are often using small potties, which you would then have to dump out anyway versus trying to get an adult to pee in a bucket. They also don't often have any medication, and their diet is pretty clear and clean, which makes it preferable for use in the garden. So we're going to dump this one straight direct into the compost, and I have a little bit of paper towel in there, and that will also decompose just fine. Now, if you were wanting to use it directly on your flower beds, it is recommended to water it down with about 1 part urine, 9 parts water, and then you can put that direct onto your beds, which I have been doing over on these guys throughout the winter. So a few things to keep in mind when using urine in the garden, because what you eat does translate into what would be going back into the nutrients of your urine. And once again, parents typically are hyper aware of what it is that their kids are eating, and so it typically is much cleaner and better to be using in the garden space. If you're using it direct and not diluting the urine, it's best to put in the compost if you're going to be diluting it, and then you can put that direct on your plants. Otherwise, you run the risk of having burn spots similar to what dog urine will do. Other than that, it is an excellent, free, readily available source of nitrogen as well as other minerals and nutrients, and is a great way to utilize waste that would otherwise just be dumped down the drain. I hope you found this video interesting and insightful and can use it as extra motivation to potty train during this period of self-isolation. If you are interested in more Canadian gardening and kid-friendly natural activities, then hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you again in the next video.